Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zazzle for profitable product designs, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Zazzle homepage by typing in www.zazzle.com. Once the page loads, scroll down to the footer section. Look for the resources or help section. Click on the download link if available. If there is no direct download link, check for an app or software name linked to Zazzle. Open your device's App Store if you're using a mobile device. For iOS users, go to the Apple App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Zazzle and press Enter. Locate the official Zazzle app from the search results. Check the app details for compatibility with your device. If everything checks out, click on the download or install button. Once the app is installed, open it to begin. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Explore the app's features to familiarize yourself with its interface. Navigate to the design section to start creating your product designs. Select a product you want to design. Use the available tools to customize your design according to your vision. Save your designs frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once satisfied with your designs, follow the app's prompts to publish or sell your products. Check your account for updates on your product's performance. Continue experimenting with different designs to enhance your profitability. Stay engaged with the community for support and inspiration. Monitor trends to ensure your designs remain relevant and appealing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.